Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make it look like it's snowing on CapCut PC. I mean like on your videos, not like on the app. So just select any video that you want, maybe like this one. Let's just make it look like it's snowing. So go to effects and then you're going to type in winter. And then you're going to select the... Was it this one? Yeah, you're going to then select winter hues. I think there's like another one. But I'm just going to use that first. Then I'm just going to type in snow, or you can type in snowflakes, and you're just going to add one that looks the most realistic. Maybe like the snowstorm one. Just add it on top. Can't really see that. What about this one? There we go. You can kind of see that. You can also adjust like the opacity because that looks a little bit too like fake, I guess. And you can add more like snowfall maybe if you'd like to make it more realistic. Um, Again, adjust the atmosphere and you can also adjust the speed a little bit on that. But yeah, that is pretty much it. As you can see, it now looks like it's in winter when it's not, so you can kind of like fake in your videos. But I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!